My name is Megan, and I'm currently in my 5th and final year of the Bachelor School of Business program. My major in international business and minor in HR has truly given me a well-rounded business education. I can promise you that this program is unique, and the small classroom sizes will allow you to network with both your professors and your peers all throughout your degree. Through my time at Bachelor, I've been able to network with industry professionals, study abroad, meet friends, and be able to learn more from my professors than I ever could have imagined. I can promise you that no matter what major you choose at Bachelor, you'll be well set up for your future and able to tackle any of your future career goals.
Hi, my name is Michael Goudreau, and I'm currently a student at Mount Royal University at the Bachelor School of Business, double majoring in both accounting and finance. This has given me a unique experience where I get to learn about both sides of the financial world at the same time. I've also been able to create lasting relationships with many of the students I go to school with, as well as the teachers that have been teaching me. I've also been able to get involved in some clubs with accounting, some clubs with finance, as well as be in the student investment fund where you get to invest real money and get real life experience in the markets. Overall, I'd say that Mount Royal University has been a great experience for me, and we'd love to have you on board.
Hi, my name is Colton Nelson, and I'm a 4th year business student at MRU. I'm majoring in marketing and minoring in social innovation. My experiences in the last 4 years at MRU have been amazing, to say the least. Whether it be the extraordinary faculty members, the small class sizes, or opportunities such as the ANPA case competition or the marketing honors program. All in all, the marketing program at MRU checks all of your boxes, plus some. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you all around campus soon.
Hi everyone, my name is Marina. I'm a 4th year student here at Mount Royal University from the Department of Accounting and Finance, and I just wanted to say I love being a student at Mount Royal. I think the school and this program specifically is really great for lots of reasons. With the smaller class sizes, you get to meet some really awesome people, and that includes your professors as well. All the professors at the school are awesome. They're very friendly, and they're always there to help you with your courses, but they're also always open to just chatting with you, and a lot of them have some really cool stories, but I think building that personal connection with your professors does make a huge difference when you're trying to learn. There's also lots of ways for you to get involved outside of your classes. There's lots of really great and fun clubs and organizations just depending on what you're interested in. The most recent one I've been involved in is the Student Investment Fund, which is an amazing opportunity to learn about companies and invest real money in the stock market. So you get to learn lots of really valuable skills, and you also get to meet some really great people too. So my whole experience at the school has been nothing but positive, and I really hope you're considering studying at Mount Royal, especially in the accounting and finance department. It is really a great program, and we'd love to have you here with us.
I'm Ashley Dion. I'm a 4th year social innovation student, and I'm going to give you a glimpse into the whirlwind that is social innovation. Through social innovation, I've had the opportunity to travel and meet changemakers around the world. Yes, actual people out there making a difference in the communities that they live in. Being a social innovation student, normally I have lots of questions about the world, and it's really great at Mount Royal University. We're able to sit down with our profs and have those questions answered over some coffee. One of my favorite things about studying at Mount Royal University is we have access to the Trico Changemaker Studio. There you'll find tons of inspiration on how to make the world a better place. But my favorite thing of all is that Mount Royal University is full of students from many different disciplines that love social change, and you'll find somebody just like you.
Hi, my name is Georgia, and I'm in my 5th and final year of business at Mount Royal with a concentration in supply chain management. I've truly valued my time at Mount Royal in the past few years, mainly due to the strong sense of community within our business school. Our small class sizes have allowed me to build lifelong friendships and develop meaningful connections with professors that'll extend way beyond my graduation. Through my involvement within clubs as well as the COLT program, I've been able to kickstart my career while still being in university and truly see firsthand that what I'm learning really does apply in the business world. I feel set up for success and ready to continue my career next year when I graduate, and I would truly recommend this program to anybody.